Hey guys, Carly here, and today I'm going to teach you the top 15 jump rope moves anybody can learn. Yes, you can learn too. I'm going to start with them in order from the very basic to a little more advanced. So subscribe to my channel right now and come check out this vid. Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. Alright, so we are going to get started on the top 15 jump rope skills anybody can learn. When I say anybody, I mean anybody. I teach 5-year-olds these exact tricks and they can pick them up. So if they can pick them up, you can pick them up. For those of you that don't know me, I'm a former competitive jump roper as well as jump rope coach. I teach in a lot of elementary schools here in San Diego, as well as some of our competitive teams as well. So we're going to start with the basic one, skill cards, okay? This is what I give everyone on my team. It goes from level 1 up to level 4, okay? So we are starting with level 1 in order from the easiest to a little bit more advanced, all right? Let's get started. So many of you know basic bounce, okay? That is just jumping with 2 feet and jumping over the rope once. That's not double bounce. Double bounce is when you jump twice. Basic is when you start jumping once, okay? All right, so that's basic jump. Next, we're gonna start with double side swings, okay? So that is, double side swings is when you go side, side, and then you jump in between, okay? So side, side, jump, jump. Side, side, jump, jump. Then you can go into single side swings, okay? So that's side swing one side, jump, side swing another side, jump. Now, usually one of us has one side that's a little more dominant than the other. So challenge yourself and practice the other side. If you need a little bit of help on this one, I have a tutorial that I'm gonna link right here. That's gonna teach you how to do single and double side swings. All right, next we have skier, okay? So just like how it sounds, that is jumping side to side, okay? These are really great for exercises too, okay? A lot of times I have my students first practice these moves before they start jumping rope, just to get the feel, timing, and rhythm, okay? So skier is jumping side to side. So right, left, both feet together, okay? And then you can go into bell, which is forwards and backwards. So that's jumping forwards and backwards, feet together, okay? Just like that, that's called the bell. Next we have side straddles, or other people call them open closes. So that is jumping, starting with your feet together, open, close, all right, in between your jumps. All right, once you got that down, try it with the rope. Open, close, okay. That's that one. All right, wounded duck. Now, I do not make these names up. This is what Jump Rope Federation calls them. If you were to ever compete, these are the names that they go by, okay? So wounded duck, this is really great for your hand-eye coordination. That is with you jump toes together, then heels together, okay? Just like this. So try this without the rope first, okay? Toes, heels, okay? Then when you add in the rope, it gets a little complicated, but it's a good challenge. Toes, heels, that is wounded duck, okay? All right, next is toe to toe. So that is just jumping, alternating on your toe, okay? So you're gonna jump, keep one foot flat, and you're gonna have one foot back on their toe, then you're gonna switch, toe, okay? Right, left, all right? And then get your jump in. So you're jumping rope, right, left, alternating what foot you're jumping on the toe, okay? Just like that. Then it goes into heel, so that's taking your feet out, heel, okay? So jumping on your heels. I'll do it without my rope. So you're gonna jump out with one heel, switch to the next, okay? Right, left, that's heel to heel. All right, next is 180 turn. This is a little more complicated. So I do have a link right here that will teach you how to do the 180 turn. Some of you might be able to pick this up right away though, you never know. So that is jumping forwards. If you can jump forwards, do a side swing and jump backwards, you got this, okay? So that's jumping forwards, going to whatever side you want. You're gonna swing the rope and swing it backwards and then swing it back forwards again. That's called a 180 turn, all right? So I'll do it one more time, swing backwards, jump, forwards, all right? Again, I have a tutorial on that if you need to learn it. 180 turn. Next is twister. So I recommend doing this without your rope first. It's just twisting your hips side to side, okay? Just like this. I love adding this one into my jump rope workouts. It's a really great movement. All right, so once you have that down, you can keep your arms still. okay? Because you gotta be able to jump. Add in your rope, okay? Side to side. That's twister. All right, next up, we have can-can. Okay, so many of you probably already know how to do can-can. I don't know about the guys out there. Here it is. All right, so can-can is, you go knee, down, kick, down, and you alternate feet. So knee, down, kick, down. Knee, down, kick, down, knee, down, kick, down. Then you add in your hop. Knee, down, kick, down, knee, down, kick, down. Then you add in your rope. Knee, down, kick, down, knee, down, kick, down. All right, this is a fun one. I honestly love doing this. It's a fun workout to put in. Okay, that's the can-can. All right, next we have swing step. Okay, so swing step is, that is hopping on one leg. So you go to one leg and you just kick your other leg out. Then you switch, hop on the other, kick your left leg out. Hop on the left, kick the right. Hop on the right, kick the left. Then you just speed it up. And pretty soon, you're doing a version of the boxer skip, okay? Swing step is what we call it in the jump rope world. Some boxers would call this a boxer skip. Okay, just like that, swing step. All right, next up, we are almost done, guys. High knee crossover. All right, so kind of like the can-can, you're gonna bring your knee up, you're gonna cross it over, up, down. So up, cross, down, add a hop. Okay, up, down, cross, down. Okay, then add in your rope, here we go. Whoops, so, up, cross, down, up, cross, down, up, cross, down, up, cross, down. High knee crossover. All right, that one's kind of fun. Okay, very last one, guys. Crisscross. All right, if you don't have the crisscross, I have a link right here that'll teach you how to do the crisscross in 3 minutes. It's really an easy skill. You just have to make sure that you have the right placement of your arms, okay? So I'm out of breath. So crisscross is just crossing, okay? And that's all there is to it, guys. All right, so you're gonna have to check out my other videos right here so you can learn some more fun jump rope tricks. Do me a favor, comment below right now, what trick do you like best, okay? Or which one are you trying to learn? I get back to everyone that comments. I love to hear from you. And thanks so much for doing this tutorial with me. Make sure you subscribe below, and I'll see you around. Thanks, guys. Bye.